What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to check and fix accessibility errors and issues into Canva for effective and better and more inclusive designs. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to our Canva, do the design in the way that you wish, in this way for example, then review the upper left corner of our screen. Next to these two little dots, we have an option and menu called File. Click on it, and next to Settings, you're going to be able to find Accessibility. Hover a mouse over, and go to Check Design Accessibility. Then review the right side of your screen. We have a new option, Design Accessibility, and they're going to review typography, color contrast, and alternative text. Okay, alternative text, it's really important, by the way. Click on alternative text. Then you have two images into this design that does not have alternative text. Okay, so you need to have alt text. All we have to do is add alt text. Click on Save. Repeat the process to every single image you have on your design. And you're gonna fix that. Now all I have to do is click on Share and download or apply this into a layout or landing page, for example. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And it is. Do your design better for everyone. See you guys later. All the best.